Hi everyone, Caroline here. Question for you. Have you ever used rose quartz crystals successfully to attract external love to you? If you have, let me know your experience because I have another spin on this matter of using rose quartz to attract external love that those who have been working with this beautiful rose quartz that we all love might want to hear about, especially if they have been working with rose quartz and successfully. So if you've been using pink energy or pink crystals like rose quartz to try to attract external love or to find that specific other that means so much to you, and you've been wearing your rose quartz, sleeping with rose quartz under your pillow, making rose quartz crystal grids, and doing all these rose quartz love attraction rituals, and nothing has been happening. You've been waiting and time is just flying by. Maybe, just maybe, that rose quartz is what needs to go in order for something to start happening. Anywho, let me just say this right now so you don't get me wrong. At the most basic level, rose quartz is a crystal that is used to attract love. And I'm not in disagreement at all with using pink energies or pink crystals to attract heart chakra love or for love matters. And as a matter of fact, I've made a couple of videos talking about why I love rose quartz and the type of crystal combinations that I recommend for certain matters, at least at the most basic level. And so I know that rose quartz energies work for some people, but there's so many layers of wisdom. Information is just not on one level. There are layers and layers and layers, and there's so many things to be explored and so many things that can help us out of a rut, especially when we are just relying on general information. And I love to go deep, and I know some of you also like to go deep. And the thing is, if something is not working for you, no matter what anyone else says, if something is not working, you got to stop at some point and notice that and see whether there's an alternative or whether there's a fresh intuitive leading that you can hear from someone else or from your own spirit that can guide you and help the situation progress. You know what I mean? We can't just be flying blindly. And I keep saying that all the time. I know you've heard it so many times if you've been listening to me, but we gotta be together when it comes to working with these spiritual tools, man. I tell you, the way the world is going these days, you gotta have things that work for you, that help you. So you're just not listening to information, but you're also getting information that will give you some wisdom to help you really move forward in life. If you are truly interested in getting a specific result and the spiritual tool that you're working with or the crystal choices that you're working with is not working, just stop and re-examine the whole thing. Just stop and re-examine. That's it. And this is why I want to go a little deeper with this rose quartz situation for attracting external love, because I get several questions from people who want to find that specific other, and what I want to share might just be helpful for them. So the thing with rose quartz or any pink crystal or any pink energy is this. Pink crystals or pink energies have a very calming and softening and gentle energy for you. And that softness, that calming energy will cool things down for you, especially when you're looking to attract external love. It will calm things down. And what needs to be happening in that external love attraction area should be red hot sizzling. You know what I mean? So the pink energy will calm things down. And that is not what you want, especially when you're looking for external love. So while we love pink energies and they work for you on the self, pink energies will sabotage you in some way in that department. So maybe it might be a good idea to put that pink rose quartz pink energy away. Anywho, there are three color energies that are traditionally known to be resonant with the heart chakra. There's pink and gold, and there's green. And those three colors all work on different aspects of love. They support self-love, they support external love, and they also support higher spiritual love. And then on another deeper level, everything works together. All is one. Love is one. Anyway, let me tell you how this insight about the pink energy and rose quartz in particular, because it's one of the common crystals, let me tell you how this insight came to me. So one day last year, I had gone shopping for sportswear because, I'm trying to get fit, I'm trying to be healthy and whatnot, keep with that program. And when I went to the store, my intention was to look for bright colored clothing. I wanted to get tops that were bright and energizing and active, I'm in the active mode, and I wanted something that had a fiery energy. But when I looked through those clothes, most of the colors were pink or light pink or shades of pink or whatever. And I was like, where are the red colors? Where are the orange colors? Where are the yellow colors? You know what I mean? And it was at that moment that a light bulb went off in my head. I was like, oh my gosh, this could be one of the reasons why those who keep using rose quartz to attract external love are not experiencing results. Because I know that pink takes away that aggressive energy or that fire that is needed for competition. And you know what's interesting? There has been actual research done that shows how pink energies are calming and soothing and really, really relax the muscles. And in fact, when you think about it, many of these energy healing modalities use pink as a calming energy. Anyway, there's a specific shade of pink called Baker Miller pink, which based on the research that had been done, several countries decided to adopt and use in their prisons or holding cells or even police stations with the intention of helping reduce aggression. So they painted the walls pink with the intention of reducing aggression, and apparently it worked. You can Google Baker Miller pink. The information is so fascinating. So anyway, I have been paying attention to the energy of the color pink and how it affects emotions and behavior, and rose quartz in particular, because I know many people use it to try to attract external love. And I have come to the conclusion that there's an angle of truth to be explored in my belief that when it comes to self-love matters, rose quartz is a yes, yes. But when it comes to matters of external love, rose quartz is a no. Why? Because of its calming, cooling energies in an area where you need to be on fire, to be active, to be motivated, to move forward, to charge forward. And until you get to that point where a relationship is on fire in a good way, then in those types of situations, you need to keep the rose quartz or pink energies away. Yup, because while love is a heart chakra matter at the core, on another layer of that core, love is also a root chakra matter. It is a red energy. It is a motivated, forward charging energy, an upbeat energy, an exciting energy, a sizzling energy, whatever. You know what I mean? Yeah. So why throw a pink calming energy in that mix? Tell me why. Anywho, it's true that pink is a gentler shade of red. And on a scale of 1 to 10, especially if you're looking for external love, it's preferable to be on the top tier of red on that scale. So again, if you want to attract love, ditch the pink and stick with a red crystal of your choice, because it's something that you love, it's something of your choosing, and that's the same energy that will go forward in attracting that love of your choice and that love that makes you happy. So the other color combinations that you can include with the red crystals or the red energies are green colored crystals, because green energy is firstly a heart chakra color, which is good for you. You want things to be in the heart. And secondly, which is the most important point in this specific conversation, is that green promotes growth in a healing, balanced way. And this is what you want. You want to find a relationship that grows, because the green energy, obviously, with its ups and downs, it promotes growth. Look at nature and how it works. You might think things are going down, but it's still in a way that helps you grow. So when you want love, red and green, and then finally you want to work with yellow. Yellow is an energy that initiates, is the color of the rising, the beginning, the sun, the energy that goes forward and brings goodness and light. So in your combination, red and green and yellow, try it. Test it, experience it if you're trying to find love, and let me know how things go for you. It's always about testing and experimenting. Choose crystals that you love of your choice. It could be anything in that color combination. Set that intention, and most importantly, ditch the pink. Okay? I love you guys, and until next time, mwah. Let love abound and increase in the best ways possible. Okay? Okay. Bye.